Tikhungo lakutsatswa khona tincwadzi tekushayela emabopane tikhala libhungane kanti lokho kunemthelela lomubi kubashayeli.
I was here to collect my driver's license, but fortunately they were closing. And I'm very much disappointed because I spent a lot of money.
Very disappointing, I must say, because, you know, it's a round trip of over 120 kilometers from Midrand. And because this is the only booking I got at this facility. So, yes, very disappointing indeed.
Baholi bemphakathi nabo bangenelelile bathi bafuna ukukhulumiswana ngendlela lengiyo.
As a community, we are affected. We say, let government come, let them talk to us so that they can understand what our frustrations are. We are the ones using the systems. They are just sitting there observing how the system operates.
Kusenjalo banikati betikolo tekufundzisa kushayela batiphikile tinsolo tekutsi basabise tisebenti tetikhungo letikhipha tincwadzi tekushayela.
We are only now monitoring the place. So I don't think that we are the one who closed the station.
Baphatsi betikolo tekufundzisa kushayela nemphathiswa wetekutfutsa batawuhlangana kuze batosombulula lenkinga.